A new store has opened, named Dreamland. Dreamland is created by Mikael Söderlins, a Swedish entrepreneur. A social meeting place for young creators. Hello everyone, a new store has just opened at the shopping mall near where we live. I was drawn by all those beautiful and bright colors. Let's go inside and check them out. I can freely filming inside the store but not on the people. Of course, I ask for permission before I start filming. Looks like a well-organized store. Everything is arranged in color scheme. Most of the beads are made of glass and also in good quality. As you can see, they look delicious. I feel like I'm in a dream. No pun intended. I think I found something I like. I have a new project in my mind. Also many cute accessories to choose from. I could stay here all day and find something new and different every time. The store also provides a cozy corner with an ice cream bar if you need to take a break. Let's go and check out the ice cream bar. The ice cream are also colorful. It's not a big store, but it's so well organized. Make me feel like the store is bigger than it is. I like the island style of display. Make it more fun and appealing for the shoppers. The store also provides some tables for creators to create and film or live stream their own creations. Love the store's concept of marketing. Very unusual in Sweden. For this review, I don't get any monetization from the store, but just want to support the concept and ideas. I hope it goes well in this economy. What about me? Did I find something I like? Of course, I have to support our local business. Thanks for watching.